It is time now to get you caught up to date on your regional and national travel forecast. It is still summertime, and a lot of us are hitting the airwaves starting here at home. Great news is San Diego International Lindbergh Field is not reporting any delays at this time, or at least any major delays to speak of. We'll show you the national picture here, and only a couple of hot spots where there may be a few issues. One of those is down in Florida. Miami is reporting some delays, at least moderate at this time. Also JFK having some issues, and then out west, San Francisco dealing with some airport delays. Those are non-weather related. Chicago O'Hare did recently come out of a ground stop because of a line of thunderstorms. We'll talk about that in just a second, but conditions there are improving greatly. Here's an area I want you to watch later tonight, especially here in Southern California. If you are planning on either driving or flying east to Tucson or Phoenix, the weather is going to get pretty nasty. Right now, looking at radar, there are some monsoon showers and thunderstorms that are across the higher terrain of eastern Arizona, and a flood watch that's now in place for Tucson and point south. Look at what happens as we roll Futurecast into motion this evening. We get a big complex of showers and thunderstorms, and these are going to be pretty intense. A couple of these storms could be severe, rolling right through the Tucson metro just in time for rush hour. So this is about 6, 7 o'clock. You bet the airports are going to be scrambling, trying to figure out how to get flights in and out with all this weather. And unfortunately, it looks like the rain sticks around for a few hours here, not just in Tucson, but north to Phoenix as well. They're going to be dealing with some heavy thunderstorms at times. So Sky Harbor Airport probably going to have some delays ongoing. Definitely check ahead with your airline if you're planning on traveling into Arizona tonight, or if somebody who's trying to leave Arizona and head out this way. Out to the Midwest, Chicago O'Hare, like I said, was dealing with a ground stop because of that line of thunderstorms you now see moving through Gary, Indiana, and out of parts of eastern Illinois. For now, the weather looks good. You'll notice some showers off to the west. I think over the next couple of hours, there could be a few more showers in and around Chicago, but it's going to be overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Another line of storms works its way into parts of northeast Illinois, including Chicago O'Hare, Midway, going to be dealing with thunderstorms there too. Not as intense as this afternoon storms. However, Chicago O'Hare, one of those airports that has operations all night long, so some delays can't be ruled out there. The weather looks a lot better heading into Thursday as that storm system moves to the east. One more spot I want to show you here is out into parts of Missouri, where there are some scattered rain showers and some thunderstorms near Kansas City, out through Columbia. Things are about to pick up in intensity here, so watch Futurecast. This is after midnight tonight, around 2:30 or so local time. Out in Kansas City, you can see some strong thunderstorms there. But I think the bigger issue will be across the state. So as you travel east along I-70, you get into St. Louis. In St. Louis, by tomorrow morning, just in time for rush hour, at the airports, Lambert Field going to be dealing with heavy rain and thunderstorms. So this is going to be a spot that not only has the possibility of ground delays and a whole lot of other issues, but some flooding concerns not out of the question. And that's just round one. As we get into mid-morning on Thursday, more storms are possible, and those kind of train over St. Louis. You can see O'Fallon, Arnold there getting in and all the rain. So big problem spots here over the next 24 hours. It's going to be up in the Great Lakes area, Chicago, out across the southwest into Arizona, and then of course through much of Missouri as well. As always, check ahead with the airlines.